Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see blocked numbers on your Android phone in a few ways. So let's get started. First way is going to be using the phone app. So just go ahead and open up your phone app, and then from there on, you click on the three dots up top here, and then look for settings. Now, once you get to your settings here, it's going to show an option that says blocked number. If you click on it, it's going to show you your blocked number. As you can see here, these are my blocked numbers, and you can add a number here. Or you can do is remove a number if you want to unblock it. So if you want to unblock a number, you'd click on that and it's been unblocked, that minus sign, and it gets unblocked like that. Now that's going to be one way through the phone app, but maybe you block them on messages. So go ahead and open up messages, same steps. You're going to click on the three dots here, look for settings, and then look for blocked numbers and spam here as example, and then blocked numbers. And I see the numbers as well here, and if I want to remove, I can do that. I can also just go ahead and add a number if I want to by clicking on that plus sign to block it. But that's how you can go ahead and see the blocked numbers on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.